On your mark. Get set. Fly. Oh, and that doesn't count. That doesn't count. Bye-bye. 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 Interference. No fair. That wasn't cool. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye's playing with his toy. Amelia's taking a nap. That means we get to have some drone fun. We are the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. This is gonna be fun. We are doing a drone challenge, a micro drone challenge with the baby hoops. I call them baby hoops. They're not baby hoops. These are
just a playtime mat.
Yeah, but they're baby hoops. Okay, so the challenge is gonna be to take these two drones. Abby's gonna have one. I'm gonna have the other, and we are gonna have 1 minute on the clock and see who can fly through the most times. Think you can do it?
Yeah, but which drone are you gonna make me fly? Because I feel like you're gonna give me the bigger one.
I am gonna be nice about this and let you pick. Okay. Abby, it's so funny, before the video, she was strategizing like, which drone are you gonna give me? If you give me the bigger one, you're gonna win. Like she's into this already. Before the video even started.
I already know that you have the advantage because you're the better pilot. I am terrible at flying through things. I can fly, but I have not had enough skill flying like through hoops and stuff, so we'll see.
Both of these drones have been recently featured on our channel. You can see the full review if you want to, but I thought it'd be fun to fly something that has already been on the channel. They both do not have altitude hold, so they should have a pretty even advantage, although Abby is right. This one has a slightly wider stance. Now those prop guards can come off, but I chose to leave them on because of the deadly elephant and other things dangling down. So you need prop guards to get through that stuff. So we will see if there's an advantage to having a larger or smaller drone.
Or just an advantage of being good at flying. I need altitude hold, Nathan.
So which one are you gonna pick, Abby?
This one.
The smaller one?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. You get to pick. Would you like me to go first, or would you like to go first?
I wanna go first because I don't wanna feel bad while I'm flying.
Okay, sounds good. This is gonna be a super simple course. You start right on the mat in front of the hoop, so you should be able to get through one pretty easily. Yes. So you can fly through either way you want, as long as you fly through. The goal is to fly through one hoop and then make it to the other hoop and just fly through it any way you want to. As soon as you fly through it, head back to the other hoop. 1 minute on the clock, and we just count and see how many times we can make it through. This is best 2 out of 3. Okay?
Also, I have to do this
Twice.
at
maybe.
least twice.
Maybe 3 times. Oh no.
Probably not 3 times.
You only have 1 minute. On your mark. Get set. Fly. Oh, and that doesn't count. That doesn't count. Bye-bye. 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 Interference. No fair. That wasn't cool. On your mark. Get set. Fly, fly, fly. You can do it. You can do it. It's okay. It's okay.
It's not what I know.
I will.
I forgot everything I knew about flying.
Remember, I have the bigger drone. You're backwards now. You set it up backwards.
Oh well.
There's one. You did one. That's just one. That's just one. That's just one. Okay, you can do this one. There's nothing dangling from this one, so you should be good. You can follow it if you want. She's gonna do it sitting down. Okay, that's almost 2. There. Okay, that's 2. You got it. 2. You can do this. You got it. Oh my gosh. She wanted an altitude hold drone, so maybe the next time we'll do altitude hold. You have 12 seconds left. You can do this. Get 3. Get 3. Oh, come on, come on, come on. I'll reset it for you. Go, 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 go. Come on. Oh no, what happened? What happened? 2 seconds. 1. Go, go, go. There, 3. You did 3. It's gone off. 3 times. That's not bad. Good job. Let's see how I do. I might not even get that.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's the thing right there, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I got 1. Ooh, the yaw on this one is so fast, I forgot. 2.
I didn't think this was gonna be much of a contest.
3.
Oh no.
It's the piano that gets you every time. All I gotta do is get 1 more to win, right?
Yeah.
There's 4. Okay.
But you said best 2 out of 3.
That's 2 out of 3, that's right. You're up. I got 4.
No, everybody wanted to see how many you could do.
I'll do it on the next one.
Okay.
Do you think you can beat 4? You know what? I should have kept going. Because if you do beat 4, oops. Well, I got 4. Okay. On your mark. Get set. Fly, fly, fly. That is a hard one to fly through. You got it, you got it, you got it. Oh, there goes the stucco. That's good though. We don't like stucco. Oh, okay, nice, you did it. Okay, you just gotta get back over to your hoop. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Get it, Popeye, help recover. Okay, all right. We need to hit pause on the time, don't we? We'll give you 5 more seconds. Okay, go, go, go. It's facing you. It's facing the stairs, I mean. Popeye's after yours.
I know, it's not there.
We'll pause the time.
No, we got it.
Okay, keep going. Popeye, no, wrong drone, buddy. 3. See if you can get 4. See if you can get 4, because then I'd have to get 5 on the next one. You can do it. Oh my gosh. You got it. You got it. You got 4. You have like 10 seconds left. Okay. Nice. That was clean. You got 4. I'll even start my own time. So I'll have a slight disadvantage of about half a second.
Okay.
On my mark. Get my set. Go my go. Okay, alright, I think I'm good. 1. Okay, 2. The yaw on this one is so touchy, I don't think you would like it at all.
Well, that's how it is on mine too, except I don't have throttle sticks at all.
You don't have throttle sticks?
I don't know. It just seems. They just seem small.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, no. It's upside down. Okay, that's 4, right? We'll do it again anyway. Oh, man.
Don't you let me win.
No, I'm not. There's 4. Okay. I can get 5. Oh, 5.
Keep going. Everybody wants to see how many you can do.
Okay, Popeye's excited. There's 6.
No. Okay, that's enough for you.
6. There's only 2 seconds.
Because that's going to take forever to get back. And as predicted, Nate wins because he's the better pilot. Why am I not surprised?
I fly more.
Because I get the last 30 seconds of every battle.
Hey, there's always drones sitting around here. You could charge and fly whenever you wanted. This one was a bad choice. No, that's good. That's fun, right?
Yes.
I liked it, yeah. I encourage you guys to just have fun in the hobby. You don't have to know what you're doing. You don't have to have ever flown before to buy something that's like $15 or $20 to just try and have fun. Yeah, this was a little more competitive. And so we'll probably, duke it out after this video. But no, it was fun. Maybe we'll do knitting contest after this? No, she don't have knit.
Don't knit.
I don't know. What are you? Baton twirling. Let's do baton twirling.
Okay.
We'll catch them on fire. We'll twirl them around.
See you burn your semi-mustache off.
Oh. Did you guys know that Abby can twirl fire batons? It's pretty amazing. You'll have to look up.
That was like 10 years ago.
Look up the Abby twirls on YouTube. Yeah, check that out. Guys, both of these drones will be linked in the description box below. If you want to see our full review on both of them, they are on our channel, so we encourage you to subscribe and just have fun in the hobby. That's what it's all about. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!